All right, are you ready? All right, I'm gonna go way back in my forest. Hi there. Great job yesterday in the mud swamp. Were you able to play the game on your piano with your family? Did you draw a picture of your own? Oh! It fell through my window again. Do you think I should open it? Okay, I'm gonna open it. It's another letter from Patrick the leprechaun. Let's see what it says.
Oh, hello there. Oh boy, you done such a great job over at that Monelity mud swamp. I was watching you. It's amazing. It's amazing. I got word. I don't know how you did it. I mean, those notes are jumping around. I don't even know how you even got it. Thank goodness for your amazing sharpness in your ears. It's great. It's great. We're so much closer to the pot of gold. But next, you've probably seen it on the map. You know what's next there? Oh, that is right. It's the sleeping forest. It's even worse. The sleeping forest. That musical elitist dragon, you never believe what he done. He took a evil magical spell on all the creatures of the forest. And now you should be very afraid of them. I don't know what they're capable of. Luckily, they're asleep. That's right. They're asleep there in the forest. So if you make your way quietly while they're asleep, that'll be great. But if they wake up and they catch you, I don't know what will happen. Luckily, I've got my magical bird friend that brought you the letter. She will help you. She will help you, let you know, give you a signal when they're asleep and when they're waking up. Just listen to the signals from the bird and you'll be safe. And thank you. Thank you again for your sharp musical listening ears. I don't even know how you do it, this place. Brooklyn Music Factory. It's quite amazing. While I'm here alone, trapped, I've been working on my own training. I think I'm getting pretty good. Yeah, that's right. Listen. I think I'm getting pretty good. See? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I just, oh, it's probably not the right setting there. Maybe it's a, oh, all right. Well, good luck in the sleeping forest.
Wow, he's gonna send us a magic bird. Wait a minute. Are you the bird that threw this at me yesterday? What? Don't you know it's not nice to throw maps at people? That's okay, because Patrick said that you're going to help us through the forest. Wow, all right, thank you. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my forest at home. We're going to go all the way over here, and I am going to imagine that my hallway is a forest with tall trees. Can you find a place in your home that you can imagine is the sleeping forest? Pause the video, find your forest, and then meet me here. Hey, did you make your forest? Awesome! So here's how our bird friend is going to help us tiptoe through the forest. We will know that all the creatures are asleep, and we can tiptoe when she plays a major chord. Wait, what does a major chord sound like? Oh, I like that chord. Now, if we accidentally wake up a creature, we have to freeze our bodies so that they don't see us and try to eat us. What does that chord sound like? How do we know if they're awake? She'll play a minor chord. Now listen very closely. Is this next chord major or minor? Listen one more time. That's right, that was a major chord. Now listen to this next chord. Is it major or minor? Listen one more time. That's right, that chord was a minor chord. All right, are you ready? All right, I'm gonna go way back in my forest. Ooh, it's dark in here. These trees are very tall all around me. All right, I'm gonna freeze my body until my bird friend says I can tiptoe. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Freeze! Don't move a muscle. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Oh, still tiptoeing. Freeze! Oh, stay frozen. That was a tricky one. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Freeze! Are they gone yet? Are they asleep yet? We made it! Freeze! There was one last creature. We did it! We made it past the sleeping forest. And it looks like next time we're going to have to make it past the rapid river. This is my picture of the rapid river. Can you draw your own picture? What kinds of challenges do you think the dragon has put there to keep us from getting the treasure? In your picture, you can draw those challenges, and I'll see you tomorrow so that we can get across the river. Now, I'm going to get a bird friend to show you how to play the game we played today at home on the piano. So don't leave yet. Hello. This is my little bird friend, and she's going to help us get through the forest on the piano. Now, do you remember? Was it a major or a minor chord, which meant we tiptoe? It was a major chord that meant we could tiptoe. My bird is going to use her wings to play a major chord. But if I were using my hand, I'm going to imagine my pointer is the body and my thumb and middle finger are the wings. I'm only going to play with the wings. I did not use my pointer. Now, which chord meant that we had to stay still? That's right, a minor chord. Now, to change this major to minor, I'm just going to put this swing on the black key, right beneath E. Nice job. Can you play a C major chord with me? Good. Which two notes are in my C major chord? The C major chord has the notes C and E. Nice job. Now to make it minor, take that E, put it on that black note, and you have a C minor chord. Nice job.